Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the automatic rigging feature of Hunyuan 3D version 2.5, and I've got to say, the results are looking pretty solid. To start, I generated a Pixar-style character in a clean T-pose, making sure there were no extra accessories or props this time around. That's key for the rigging to work properly. I'll drop the exact prompt I used down in the description if you want to try it out yourself. Next, we upload the image, hit that generate button, and wait around 3 minutes. We get a clean 3D model ready to go. Now for the cool part, I clicked auto bone binding, and after just a few more minutes, we've got a rigged model. I tested some basic animations, and honestly, it's impressive for a free tool. I'll show you the results now. Feel free to judge for yourself. In my opinion, this is super useful for students working on short animation films, or even for indie devs doing previs or layout planning for a game. If this video sparked even one brain cell of value, smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop your weirdest AI test ideas in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Peace.